Welcome to Belong. Today, I'll show you how to create NFT tickets on Skale Network without any gas fees. The Skale Network will be automatically added to your wallet, and you don't need to have any fuel there. It's super easy, so let's dive in. First, log in or register using your MetaMask or any preferred wallet. For this tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a new account with MetaMask. Just enter your email, pick a username, and tick the checkboxes to get your account up and running. Once you're logged in, head to the side menu and select Skale Calypso Testnet. Approve the switch in your wallet. It's a testnet in the video, but the same process applies to the main nets of Skale. Skale Calypso is a fast, gas-free blockchain built for creating and trading NFTs. Click the plus button to open the creation menu. Select Create and Sell Access Keys to get started. Proceed to creation of your own community by adding title, description, logo, cover image, and other info you wish to add. When done, press Create a Hub. Here's where the magic happens. Enter your event name, description, location, date, and time. Add a bold cover image and your NFT media. You can enable credit card payments, set the status to private or public, and add QR access now or later. Finally, choose Skale Calypso Testnet USDC for pricing, and hit Confirm and Finish. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Hold on for a moment. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've organized an exclusive token-gated event with gasless deployment and minting. Share it with your community and start connecting like never before. Happy ticketing!